Welcome to the English class. The first topic is article writing. As per CBSE, the question is asked for 8 marks. There are a few points you should know and learn. These are 1. Creative writing. Creative writing cannot be learned in a day or two. For this, you have to do regular practice. Keep on reading, keep on describing, and analyzing the things. It will be important for you to have a lot of content in the mind for any given topic. Always be prepared to write for anything that comes in front of you. 2. Format. Eye-catching title, which should not be more than 3 to 4 words. Just below the title comes byline. If you get one name in the question, then you must write the same name. And if no one's name is mentioned, then you can write capital A, B, C. Point 3. After that, the body is divided in 3 main parts: introduction, explanation, and conclusion. For this, you have to follow the next point. Point 4. For a good article, you have to follow the principle of coda. Now, what is coda? C. Collect. O. Organize. D. Draft. E. Edit. And R. Revise. Point 5. Never do abrupt writing. For a few minutes, collect the information related with the topic. Organize and draft it in 3 parts. Like this can be my introduction, and this I'll include in explanation, and this will be my conclusion with a few suggestions or solutions. And also you can jot down the main words at one place so that it will be helpful for you in writing the answer. Point 6. Be careful and remember, article is never enclosed in a box. Point 7. The marking scheme for article is title 1 mark, accuracy 2 marks, and content 5 marks. Point 8. You must have a good command on vocabulary, grammatical knowledge, creativity, and subject knowledge. Point 9. Never jump to the next answer without checking. Just go through the content to check it yourself. Students, you have to be well prepared because subject can be based upon social, cultural, economic, ethical, behavioral, religious and political issues. Point 11. When you write the body, be careful. There should be no use of any personal note like I believe, as per me, I think. The information is given in general as referring to all as citizens. After this description, I would like to give a short idea about the topic advantages of co-education. The introduction can be many convent schools and public institutions are co-educational, mainly present in developed cities. It is a need of the hour, indicates the development of social order. Now coming to explanation, it may include the points like it increases the status of women, promotes equality in the gender, ensures broader mental outlook. It is essential for a healthy competition. It also gives maximum exposure to teenagers. Now conclusion. Beneficial for the society, must be adopted in all schools. Role of government determines the future of a developed nation. In the coming years, indispensable for the harmonious growth of the child. Now, I hope that after this short discussion, it will be easy for you to write to compile one complete answer. After this, now two questions are given to you. These are options. Only one you have to write as home assignment and submit after the school reopens. Wish you good luck.